Stop. What if I told you there's a hijacked email system generating $1,000 plus per day that 99% of marketers don't know exists? While you're struggling with complicated funnels and chasing traffic, smart marketers are using this hidden automation to print money on demand. I'm about to show you exactly how it works, but first, let me prove this isn't just hype. Here's how the email cash machine works. Step 1. The list hijack. Instead of building lists from scratch, you borrow engaged audiences using psychological triggers that make people beg to join your list. Step 2. The 72-hour cash sequence. Automated emails that convert cold subscribers into buyers within 3 days using advanced persuasion psychology. Step 3. The profit multiplier. Turn one-time buyers into recurring customers, automatically increasing your revenue from $47 to $300 plus per customer. The entire system runs on autopilot. Set it up once, profit forever. Normally, this would cost $5,000 plus. But from today you get everything as shown on the sales page via the link below. And here's the best part, you don't have to decide right now. I'm so confident this system will work for you, it's backed by our 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. You have 2 full months to implement the email cash machine and decide if it's worth keeping. If for any reason, you're not completely satisfied, just send an email and we'll refund every penny. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through. You keep all the training, all the templates, everything as our gift for giving it an honest try. It's guaranteed because we've seen this system work for hundreds of people. We know it works. The only question is whether you'll take action. Click the link in description below right now to secure your offer and fantastic bonuses. In 24 hours, you could have your first email cash machine running. Don't let this slip away. The difference between success and regret is one click. Get instant access now, before the offer is gone. Right now you can get it at a special price, but act fast as the special pricing can change at any time. It is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late. Click the link below in the description for the offer and grab the amazing bonuses. To your success. I'll see you on the inside. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for similar offers.